Hello, everyone. Welcome to my Fab Meals for Under $40 series on how to cook. So basically, I have the items that I purchased from the grocery store today. I have this is actually Carne Asada. I was able to grab this from Sprout. This was 10.93. I did stop by Publix and my local grocery store to grab some Alfredo sauce because the price was much better. Prices were much better. This is the heavy whipping cream that I purchased. Also purchased for today's meal, along with the street tacos. They're a little bit smaller than regular tacos, but they're still good. I have egg pasta, pappardelle egg pasta. Also, got that from Sprout today, and Mexican style cheese. So what I'm going to attempt to do today is a fusion. We're going to see how that works for tonight's meal. And let me go over to my staples. So usually my staple items include carnivore. This is good for beef seasoning. Seasoning beef. You can get this at your local grocery store. Minced garlic. If I don't have fresh garlic, I will grab a minced garlic and then trust and believe I do use all this. I also have some whole garlic. I may use it, I may not, probably won't. Another staple is this beef base. If you don't have the beef base, this is better than bouillon, but you can use any beef base that you like. If you have beef broth, or if you have uh, uh, beef beef broth, or the cubes, or the powder. It doesn't really matter. The powder cubes, I think it comes in powder, cubes, or the liquid. So the powder form in the cube form, I must note, is more economical. I always keep minced onions dry. I'm going to sprinkle in some cilantro. Garlic is also one of my staple seasonings that's also dried. And for this dish, I'm going to use some allspice and sage, pepper, and salt if needed. And usually that's for the powder, for the pasta. All right, let's see here. And I also usually keep some Mexican seasonings as well as unsalted butter. I usually get that. All right, let's get started. Okay, guys, I'm back. I'm not really sure if I told you or not, but go ahead and prep your ingredients. It'll seem a little daunting at first, but go ahead and prep your ingredients so when everything comes together, it'll come together fairly quickly. So I'm gonna go ahead and chop my onions. I'm gonna actually slice my peppers, or actually I'm gonna slice my onions and my peppers. So, and I forgot, I also got spinach for this dish. So I'm gonna go ahead and prep my ingredients, and when I get to a point, I'll return. And if you have any questions, you can email me at cocoglenlife@gmail.com. Again, that email address is cocoglenlife@gmail.com. Okay, guys, I am back again. Thank you for your patience. I am working out my concepts. Okay, I am working out my concepts. So I decided to change the background. So again, what do we have here? We have our cream cheese, our roasted beef bouillon from Better Than Beyond. A little minced garlic. You can do fresh garlic, minced garlic. It doesn't make a difference. This is the Alfredo sauce. This is our pasta. It is just for a little, few extra dollars, you can get the thicker band, and it makes a very good fettuccine. Again, we're making Mexican inspired um, steak Alfredo tonight. So these are my Roma tomatoes. I'm just kind of slice these and just kind of freshly sauce this into my pasta. So I have not cut that yet. Yes, I am still drinking my cocktail. My husband just requested, it is what it is. But anyway, this is my freshly washed spinach that was like a dollar 99 from Sprout. What else do we have here? Uh, these are my street tacos. My seasoning, again, this is allspice, sage, minced garlic, and onion, and cilantro. Again, this is this carnivore seasoning here that I like to get from my favorite gas station that sells the briskets. Holler at a sister. But anyway, red pepper flakes. These cost $1. They're delicious. So, um, and if they were not, trust me, I would not keep buying them. This is the heavy cream. This is still some Zyzon. Remember, we started off with 2 packets, so we reserved 1. So we're gonna use this as a barilla to soak our street tacos in. So let's go ahead and get started. Oh, I forgot about that.
It's been washed. They supposed to wash it before we use it.
Mm-hmm. Now, let's cook our steak. We're going to take that steak and we're going to dump that into our buttered pan with the garlic. And you're going to mix that around in the pan. And also, at this time, you're going to just go ahead and dump over your dry seasonings into this steak. Toss those seasonings around. Again, cook for 3 to 5 minutes on the, if I didn't mention it, and I don't think I did, on the highest heat. Just for 3 or 5 minutes, because we're going to set this pan aside so we can add our sauce later. Make sure you turn that stove off after you saute your steak for 3 to 5 minutes. Now, let's start on our Alfredo sauce. So we have our butter and garlic already simmering. So I'm adding my cream cheese, my better than beef bouillon, and the other seasonings. Give that a stir. Turn your stove on medium heat. Give that a stir. As you can see, my stove is a little bit too high, but I'm not going to worry about that either.
We're just gonna, I turned the stove down a little bit because I am using a spatula for now because it's easier to just kind of get these things out of the bowl. So I just dumped in my Alfredo. Again, this is the store-bought Alfredo that I'm using, and I'm just gonna giving all of that a good stir. Add heavy cream. Grab a fork or a whisk and whisk that Alfredo sauce around to remove any clumps. I'm using a fork because I like to break up clumps this way. This you can use a whisk or a fork. It doesn't really matter. Just try to break up any large clumps.
I drain my pasta. So I'm gonna transfer all of this Alfredo. It got a few lumps in it, but not worried about that. If I need extra, I know where to get it. But I drained all that pasta, and I'm just gonna mix that into the steak. And I'm actually gonna warm this up. I just want it on low because I don't want to overcook my steak.